Hi y'all, so today we are making pumpkin rolls. It's that time of year, fall's upon us, pumpkin season is upon us, so it's that time of year where we just need to start doing these recipes. For this, we have sugar, we have some flour, we got some ground cinnamon, we have some ginger, we have some nutmeg, we have some baking powder, powdered sugar, cream cheese, butter, salt, eggs, pumpkin, some vanilla, some lemon juice. But before we get to baking, we are on the way to 500 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with 3/4 cup of flour. We're going to go do a teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. We're going to do a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to quickly give this a quick whisk. Get all those dry ingredients mixed together. We're going to set this to the side. Alright y'all, so for this, we have 3 eggs. Now all we're going to do is mix these on high for about 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're going to add in a teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, and now we're going to slowly mix and add 1 cup of sugar. Now once we have that mixed in, we're going to drop in half a cup of pumpkin. I'm going to go ahead and get this well mixed up. Now just go ahead and drop our dry ingredients in. Okay, now we got this prepared, we're going to grab a cookie sheet. Alright, so we've got our oven preheating to 375. We've lined a cookie sheet with wax paper. We're just going to pour our mixture. We're going to spread this out. We're going to try to keep a square shape. Now we're going to throw this in the oven for 20 minutes, like I said, at 375, and I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so we just took it out of the oven. We have a towel here, and we flipped it upside down, and now we're just going to carefully peel our wax paper off of our pumpkin roll here. Alright, so we have all our wax paper off. So we're just going to go ahead, hit this with a dusting of powdered sugar. And now we're just going to very carefully roll this up. We're going to go ahead and let this cool. Once this is completely cooled down, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so I have a mixing bowl here. I got 1 package of cream cheese in it, 2 tablespoons of butter. I've kind of just been letting those sit out for the last 20 minutes at room temperature to soften up. We're going to take 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we're going to take a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're just going to go ahead and blend this until it's all smooth and creamy. Alright, so we have our pumpkin bread roll base that it is cooled down to room temperature. Now mine's got some cracks in it because I went ahead, I overbaked mine just a little too much, so it's got some cracks in it because I kind of spread mine out too thin on my cookie sheet. But we're just going to go ahead, put all our cream cheese filling on here. And now we're just gonna spread this out. Now if you spread yours out too much on the cookie sheet, you might wind up with a thinner filling like I did, not just overcooking it. Go ahead, start peeling it away from the paper towel, and also start rolling it. Now you could cut this up and serve it right away, but I like it to be cold, so I'm just going to wrap mine in some saran wrap and throw it in the fridge overnight, and then I'll cut it up in the morning.
Alright y'all, and there you have it, pumpkin rolls. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.